everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Hotmart account's password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.hotmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner and select your account type from the options. To log into your Hotmart account, you can either select the sign in with Facebook option or enter your email or you use your ID followed by your password. If you don't remember your password during the login process, click on I forgot my password link. Now, enter the email address associated with your account in the text box and click on Recover my password. You now need to check your email inbox with instructions on how to reset your password. Open up a new tab and log into your same email inbox that is associated with Hotmart account and you'll be able to receive an email from Hotmart. Click it open and click on enter new password. This will take you to the new tab where you can enter the new password for your Hotmart account. Go ahead and type it in the text box and make sure to enter the password, which will be easier for you to remember next time, and then confirm your password on the next field by retyping it again. After it is done, click save and there you have successfully reset your password to something else. Click the continue button and you'll be able to get access to your Hotmart account. That is how you can easily recover your password even if you've forgotten it during logging into Hotmart account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.